Hate in the right spirit, and let's win hearts.
Like Dhanera.
Well
All the
said यार, well said HS यार, दिल जीत लिया यार. अब मैं आंसर
Guys,
नहीं
all the
करूंगा.
best.
आज कोई ट्रॉफी नहीं है जीतने के ऊपर.
चलो guys, let's
एचएस भाई
start.
यार,
Let's
इतनी अच्छी
start.
सी बातें नहीं करो यार, मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
अरे मौका भाई धनेरा फॉरएवर. मौका भाई धनेरा फॉरएवर.
Now you know why I
Yeah,
was waiting.
come on, go Gabru, go.
Whom I was waiting for.
Go Gabru, go.
मौका भाई का सपोर्ट आ गया बस.
गबरू का काम हो गया.
The person who is good in cricket is also good in quiz. So be aware of Pratik Jain. Feel it down.
मेरी टीम
सारे ऐसे
मैंने तो कुछ किया ही
Why
नहीं.
do I get a feeling? Why do I get a feeling underdogs are going to win today?
You have the right team.
अरे उसमें हुक्सी है ना, कैसे जीतेंगे?
टीम से कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. You have the right.
क्रिकेट के अलावा क्रिकेट के अलावा सब कुछ अच्छा खेलता है.
वो बच्चे
चलो यार guys, all the best. May the fair team win.
Thank you मौका भाई.
मतलब मौका भाई तो अभी मौका भाई only teams are participating then.
No comments.
Okay, let's start, boys.
चलो let's start. Guys, can we have all the 4 captains for today's team? Underdogs के लिए हुजी है, उंगली मास्टर्स के लिए अमान, मस्ती के लिए मिस्टर खमोसी एंड गबरूस के लिए मिस्टर मोदी.
Mr. Modi, report in Mr. Modi.
Mr. Modi is here. मोदी भाई आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा.
देखो ना, मोदी है ना आज भी.
अरे आगे. एक्सीलेंट. अच्छा चलो, वेरी गुड. Guys, बस शुरू करने के पहले quick words from the captains. How has your journey been so far, and what have you thought about this whole quiz that we've done? Let's start underdogs. Huzi, कोई भी लैंग्वेज चलेगी.
कोई भी चलेगी. की बात है, दावत की जबान.
सब कुछ चलेगा.
First of all, thanks to Allah, his boys played really well, pretty well also.
Moving on, Yogesh.
यार क्या बोलने का.
क्या
योगेश योगेश इसके लिए आजू-बाजू देखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं मैं यहाँ क्या बात कर रहे
हो. मैंने भी सत्ता मारता है.
कंफ्यूज हो गया, बोला मैं इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था और यहाँ पे पहुंच गए. अब क्या बोलूं. वही ना, सीरियसली बनाया मस्ती में ऐसे पहुंच गए हम लोग.
यार, it's been a great initiative यार, because in this lockdown we've been barely connected यार. WhatsApp पे कितना ही banter होता है. So this has been a really good initiative. And we've been the luckiest team so far, man. We've not even scored 5 points to qualify. So yeah, we're just glad to be here. That's it.
Even wrong answers helped you guys.
Some smart play by Mr. Aman.
Yep.
Okay. And representing team Masti, they have actually been, to be very honest with you, what I feel is the Masti team has been the actual underdogs over here. I mean, some superb answers have come out from the brothers, Kamosi brothers.
Yeah,
very well done.
Yeah.
Tahir.
I think Tahir and Adnan Kamosi are very knowledgeable, yeah. They played very well. Very.
I think the best answer has been from Aman all throughout the season.
Yeah.
Aman, Ian Gautam was the pro man.
Can be moment.
Kumar Dharma से ना वो दुलीप लिनियागी के साथ was one of the best answers.
Aman Sohail Qazi says hi. Aman Sohail Qazi says hi.
ये फाद गारंटी मर्चेंट है अपना भाई, वहाँ मस्ती कर रहा है.
चलो guys, okay. Guys, let's start. Let's do the randomizer as always. First, Momo, can we do the randomizer for round 3, please?
Sure. Well, you guys can see the screen, right?
Yes.
Yogesh will start the third round.
Okay, guys, before Momo, just a second. Guys, there are 8 questions in round 3, so we will do the randomizer twice, just to be really fair. So first 4 and then again whatever 4 comes up. Okay.
Yogesh will go first.
Okay. Momo, Lucky le jara.
Lucky. Second will be DK.
Okay.
Feroz and then Parth.
Okay, and then do it again. So then we have from questions 5 to 8 as well, please.
All right, second round, second phase. Feroz will begin.
Okay.
So third and fifth is Feroz.
Third and fifth is Feroz. Sixth is DK, second phase, second name is DK.
Okay.
And then Yogesh. The last one will be Parth. Both times.
All right. Okay, fine. Thank you, Momo. Can we have the slides on, please? All right, guys, welcome to the SFICC Ramadan online cricket quiz. This is the finale, season 1. Very, very exciting season. Something, which we just thought. I mean, this is, again, before I start, would like to address it very loudly and clearly that this has purely been QJ's thought process. So you can send your messages to him that, it has always been his baby. And of course, with HS's guidance, we could form this thing up. Questions were prepared by QJ himself, Momo, myself, Sancha, Abdul Qadir Bora. And the last rounds which you were playing in the leagues, which was the bulldozer round, was completely made by only one person, which was Abul Bhai. And he kind of helped us audit the questions as well, So,
who made the last round?
Abul Bhai.
Who is that now?
Abul Hassan, या क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कितने साल हुए तुम्हें SFICC में?
नहीं मालूम मुझे यार.
He is the brains of SFICC. Mocha is the heart. HS is just the body. So that's how it is. चले.
ये वैसे पूछा किसने? Who is Abul?
मैंने पूछा अनिल ने पूछा.
Okay, अनिल नहीं जानता है. अनिल अब्बुल को नहीं जानता है.
What is Aman?
Abul is one of the co-founders of SFICC.
So he doesn't come to in sports or what?
He's been out of cricket for I think past 1 year or so.
But he plays
Aman does the item number. Aman does the item number.
Aman is the only. Can you name all the founders of SFICC?
Okay, let's start, bro.
Let's move ahead. Guys, can we have QJ? Can we have the participants for the first
ये किससे पूछा? Who are the founders of SFICC?
Aman.
Who's Aman.
Go Nadav, go.
Guys, I'm moving on. Please, 4 participants who are playing the first round, I expect you to only keep your videos and audios on. Baki sab, please mute पे जाओ और अपना video बंद करो. So Huzi is here. Can we have Adarsh Vyas, Yusuf Najmi, and Anil Adnani, please?
सब लोग इधर ही है ना?
Can you hear me?
Yes, Yusuf, I can hear you. Adarsh, check कर लो.
Can you
hear me?
Yeah, fine. Anil and Huzi are clear as well. Okay, fine.
Okay.
All right, QJ, rules please. Yes, Momo.
Just to the contestants, try to be as loud as possible, guys, and make sure you say your name a couple of times if you can. In case, sometimes your voice gets hidden behind Mahalam.
Okay, and HS, just a quick note to you as well. If Momo and me are in disagreement or in agreement and you think that is not the right answer, please feel free to jump in and correct us. Okay? Yeah. So now, guys, open view.
Mela, one question before you start. Will you just call out the participant's name after they say it, or they can just say the answer?
No. Of course, I will call out the participant's name.
Okay, fine, cool. Thank
All
you.
the participants, you have to relax. Till I don't call out the participant's name, I will not open the question to you. So there will be no thing where मैंने answer कह दिया, ये था, गलत था, ये था. Please wait for me to call out your name. Only then you say the answer. Okay. So guys, this is round 1. Identifying the picture. It's a buzzer round. You know the rules. 10 questions, 5 marks for correcting 5 points for each correct guess, -5 for incorrect or no answer. There is a timer of only 3 seconds, so you can't buy time. Okay, in 3 seconds, if you don't give it, I'll have to give you a negative. There'll be no warnings for this, and only names to be given as buzzer, no answers, and no passing as well. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have the first photo, please?
Adarsh.
Okay, yeah.
Adarsh.
Momo Adarsh.
Adarsh.
Okay, Adarsh, go for it.
Peter Hanscom.
Peter Hanscom is the right answer. Well done. Adarsh has opened the finale with the right answer. Okay, can we have the second photo, please?
Adarsh.
Others.
Adarsh.
Ish Sodhi.
Ish Sodhi is the right answer. Well done. Third photo, please.
Adarsh.
Anil.
You know, मोमो तुम लोग किसने खिल्ली उड़ा रहा था बोलने को कि 4-5 बार नाम बोलो, उसको एक बार में सुनाई दे रहा है.
Okay, great.
Okay, Adarsh, go for it.
Jerome Taylor.
Jerome Taylor is the right answer. Well done. Hat trick of answers for Adarsh. Can we have the fourth photo, please?
Adarsh.
Anil.
I heard others.
I heard Adarsh as well.
Hey.
Adarsh, 3 seconds. Time's up. -5 for Adarsh. The correct answer is Adam Parore. Next question, please.
Anil.
Adarsh.
Anil.
Mackenzie. Neil Mackenzie.
Neil Mackenzie is the right answer. Well done. Can we have picture number 6, please?
Adarsh.
Anil.
I heard others.
I heard Adarsh as well.
Asad Rauf.
Asad Rauf is the right answer. Well done. Picture number 7, please. Let's move on. The correct answer is David Gore. Picture number 8, please.
Yusuf.
Go ahead.
Only one call. Yusuf, go for it.
Simon Jones.
Simon Jones is the right answer. Well done. Second last photo of the night of the first round. Can we have photo number 9, please?
Adarsh. Andre
Nell is the right answer. Well done.
मैलम एक बार कॉल कराओ यार, बार बार रिपीट करते हो तो एक ही बंदे का नाम आता है फिर.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We can hear all names, but then obviously order में सुनाई दे रहा है नाम. Okay. Last question for the night, for the round 1. Can we have the last question, please?
Anil.
Yusuf.
Anil.
Kaluwatrana.
Full name, please.
Romesh Kaluwatrana.
Middle name?
Ramesh Kaluwatrana.
Well done. Right answer. निकल के मारता नहीं लगी हमें. That's the end of round 1. More scores, please.
The scores are currently Ungli Masters at 20, Gabrus at 10, Masti at 5, and Underdogs at 0.
Okay, so this brings us to the end of round 1. Well done, Uzi. It was nice watching you.
Bas, it's okay, no problem. It's a game. It's okay.
No, abhi kya bhai? Don't lose hope. You have 3 other strong players.
It's not losing hope, yeah. It's okay. Let's talk after the quiz. It's okay.
Chalo. All right. So, can we have the participants for round 2, please?
Yeah.
Participants are Murtaza Sakir for Underdogs, Abhishek Dalal for Ungli Masters, Adnan Khamosi for Masti, and Deepu Adnani for Gabrus. Okay, so I've got Khamosi, I've got Deepu Adnani on screen.
I'll call my name as
Murtaza Sakir is here as well. Abhishek, we'll need your video.
I'll call my name as
All right, all right.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Deepu is fine. Dalal, Abhishek Dalal, we need your video.
Yep, it's disabled by admin.
QJ, can you just look into that?
Problem hai? He doesn't want to see him.
Yeah, can you see?
Yes. Okay, fine.
Okay.
It's pretty clear now. So all four of you can hear me, see me. Everything is fine. I can see you and hear you as well. Okay, quickly.
Can you hear
rules,
me?
please. Yeah. It's clear. It's clear.
Okay.
My voice is clear as well, right, Neelam?
Yes. QJ, rules. So this is the score sheet with blanks. We had seen a snippet of this in the semi-final rounds. There is a buzzer as well. You guys know the buzzer rules. I'm not repeating them. Total 8 questions, 10 marks for the right answer and -5 for incorrect or no answer. There will be no passing. And again, the buzzer is immediately after I identify your name. Your name. Wait for me to call out your name. Okay. It is just going to be 3 seconds, so you'll have to be quick. And if you try to buy time, you get negative markings and you'll be termed as no answer. So can we have the first scorecard, please? It was World Cup 1999, India versus Sri Lanka game. It was India's second innings batting. Can you please guess the
Deepu.
Yeah. Yeah, Deepu.
Rahul
Dravid is the right answer. Well done. At that time, it was a record between Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid for the highest partnership in one-day international. Well done. Okay.
Guys, before you move on, someone's mic is on unmute and after I said the answer, usse bhi Rahul Dravid bola tha.
Actually, it's my mistake. I said it by mistake, Anil. Sorry.
Chalo guys, take. Don't repeat it. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
Okay. Can we have the second scorecard, please? Mumbai versus Chennai, IPL final, 2019. Guess the venue.
Deepu.
Follow Deepu.
Yes, Deepu.
Chinnaswamy.
Chinnaswamy is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad. Guys, WhatsApp जिसका बंद चालू है, please बंद कर दो. We can hear your vibrations.
मेरा तो नहीं है भाई.
Okay. Scorecard number 3, please. (2011) ICC World Cup match between England and Ireland. Guess the player of the match for Ireland.
Deepu.
It was too close.
I heard Adnan. I also heard Adnan. Adnan, go for it.
Kevin O'Brien.
Sorry?
Kevin O'Brien.
Kevin O'Brien is the right answer. Well done.
Shit.
Fun fact, Ireland is the only team who has chased more than 300 runs thrice in World Cups. We had this part of the quiz earlier. Okay. Can we have slide number 4, please? Final Wills Cup match between Australia and Sri Lanka. Guess the player for the Sri Lankan team. Incorrect answer.
Deepu.
But no pass.
Guys, we can't move ahead. Sagar gets a negative point for giving the answer out. The correct answer is Ranatunga, but then I had told you your name only, not the answer. All right. Can we have scorecard number 5? India versus Sri Lanka at Rajkot. India scored 4-1-4. Sri Lanka scored 4-1-1. Who was the man of the match?
Deepu.
Yes, Deepu.
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Virendra Sehwag. Okay, calm down, guys. Calm down. Relax. Let's have scorecard number 6. It was this day, that year, Australia versus West Indies, where West Indies chased the target of 4-1-8. Guess the player of the match, please.
Abhishek.
Adnan.
Abhishek.
I heard Abhishek. Abhishek, go for it. Chandrapal is the right answer. Well done. Can we have scorecard number 7, please? Ashes, England's tour of Australia. 3 batsmen scored hundreds. Deepu, go for it.
Jonathan Trott.
Jonathan Trott is the right answer. Well done.
Yes.
This is the last scorecard of the night. Can we have it on screen, please? Third test match, India's tour of Pakistan. Guess the venue. This is the venue where Pathan got his hat trick.
Deepu.
Wait, I got Adnan.
Adnan was first. Faisalabad.
Sorry?
Faisalabad.
Faisalabad is the incorrect answer. The correct
Rawalpindi.
answer is
Rawalpindi.
National Stadium of Karachi.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, this brings us to the end of round 2. Momo, can we have the scores, please?
Yes. The scores currently are Ungli Masters at 30, Gabrus at 20, Masti at 10, Underdogs at -5.
All right. Okay. So, I mean, I wouldn't say that Underdogs are still out of the game. There's still 2 more rounds. Obviously, the first 3 teams are pretty much in contention and so are Underdogs, but they need something really special here. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. This is the end of part 1 of our quiz tonight. I would request all of you to join the second link which was provided, because we don't want to, rush it up and end the quiz very hastily. So thank you for the first part. Guys, join us in the second part, please. Thank you.